Welcome to our quick analysis of EPACK Prefab Technologies Limited. Let's dive into their consolidated Q4 FY26 earnings. Total income for the quarter stands at 476.75 crore rupees, with 470.80 crores from operations and 5.95 crores from other income. This marks a strong 43.9% QOQ and 42.7% YY. Total expenses came in at 438.79 crore rupees. Raw material costs dominated at 316.11 crores, followed by employee costs at 37.21 crores and other expenses at 62.31 crores. EBITDA stands at 52.07 crore rupees, up 34.9% quarter-on-quarter. EBITDA margin is 11.06%, with 34.1% YoY growth, though margins dipped slightly by 69 basis points. Profit before tax reached 37.96 crore rupees, showing strong growth with a 57.2% QoQ rise and 37.0% YoY increase. Net profit came in at 30.29 crore rupees, with a healthy PAT margin of 6.35%. This reflects a sharp 79.8% sequential growth and 51.3% YoY increase. Earnings per share stands at 3.02 rupees, rising 79.8% QoQ and 33.0% YY, mirroring strong profit. Overall, EPACK Prefab delivered a strong quarter with robust revenue growth of 42.7% and PAT growth of 51.3%. Margins saw slight pressure, but overall execution remains stable and positive.
Subscribe for more videos. Disclaimer: